Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be talking about Cardano, and I'm going to try answering the question of will it reach and go over $1 in 2018? Now I'm going to talk a little bit about where Cardano is currently standing as far as popularity goes, because some things have changed since my last price prediction on it, and to be honest, my previous price prediction video was a relatively conservative estimate on where I thought it was going to be in 2018. It already surpassed that estimate, so I wasn't really bearish on it, but I was a bit conservative because at the time, right, it was a little bit of a sleeper cryptocurrency. I mean, you can see this on the chart. Since pretty much it started trading, it wasn't doing much, right? It was relatively flat, and it finally got a massive jump in price and in attention, which is really what it needed. So that definitely kind of changed my opinion on Cardano as a whole. Like I said, I wasn't really bearish on it before, but I did want some more clarity on where it was heading and for things to kind of wake up. That's exactly what happened, luckily. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of tell you where I think it's going to be heading basically in 2018. Now, what you have to realize is that it's currently sitting now at a $3.4 billion market cap. It is now in the top 10 ranking. We'll see, if it's able to hold in here, but it's looking pretty good for now. What's interesting is that despite the fact that it got this massive price increase in a short period of time, it actually held it pretty well, right? We put in an all-time high of just under 15 cents, fell back down to, it looks, around 9 cents, and bounced back up very nicely. Currently, we're stabilizing and holding our break above $10, really. And that's somewhat rare for these type of cryptocurrencies that have, such big jumps. There was some pumping up accusations for Cardano. I don't really think it's the case, seeing that how the price is holding. So I'm not too concerned about that. And, so long as we don't dip below $10 again, 10 cents, I'm not really too worried about seeing some kind of drop or anything happen. I think that, it's putting in a nice base here. It could consolidate for a while, but overall we should start seeing it climb slowly but surely back towards that 15-cent mark, hopefully going and testing the 20-cent mark pretty soon. And we still have about a month till we get to 2018, so it still has room to move even higher, right? Obviously, getting to $1,000 would, I'm messing up my price on Cardano. Getting to $1 would be about a 750% increase, and that's not that much when you really think about it. Now, of course, it is becoming one of the bigger cryptocurrencies, and that will make it a bit harder for, to see a big move like that, but it's not impossible, right? I've made some updated price prediction videos on IOTA and Litecoin, and it looks like those two have a good chance of heading towards maybe around a $25 billion market cap by the end of 2018, and, there's really no reason why Cardano couldn't do something similar to that, and maybe a little bit less, just because it doesn't have, yet the same popularity as Litecoin or IOTA. But if it gets a second wave of attention like it did here, right, with the price increase, it could definitely be, competing with those two very nicely. Obviously, Cardano is kind of taking what's good with Bitcoin and Ethereum, combining that, and really trying to become the best cryptocurrency out there, better than Bitcoin and Ethereum, kind of playing off their where they fall short and combining their advantages. So they're aiming very big, and we might be seeing the beginning of maybe the success for Cardano that they're trying to achieve, right? Obviously, it's still pretty early. They're not there yet, but think about, even if they are able to compete, partially at least, partially compete with Bitcoin and Ethereum, that would already put them at a very serious, valuation. I think that's completely reasonable. So, going back to the price, do I think it can reach $1 in 2018? Like I said, that would be about a 750% increase. It's already gone up more than that, I think, in the past 2 months alone. So I don't think that that's unreasonable. Obviously, it is a big move that would really put the market cap much higher, right, to the big leagues, really. And I would say we'd have to see, right? There's going to be some contingencies on that price prediction, because I think it's possible, but like Litecoin, the first thing I want to see is Cardano, getting to 20 cents, and that should hopefully happen pretty quickly, right? for the $1 mark to be achievable in 2018. I would say we'd want to see 20 cents by maybe already the end of December, or 1 to 2 months into 2018. Really, I want to see Cardano trying to get up to that 50-cent mark. Is that big level that I'm paying attention to. That would put the market cap at around $17 billion. Obviously that won't happen overnight, but a couple months into 2018 it could do that, right? And 50-cent mark is going to be a big turning point, because obviously that's kind of the next stop, since it already passed above 10 cents, and I do think that it has a very good chance of hitting that 50-cent mark in 2018. It would probably move a little bit above that, and what that tells me is that I feel like a reasonable price estimate right now for Cardano, seeing how it is actually one of the cryptocurrencies that's I think the most popular on YouTube right now. As far as my previous price prediction goes, it is one of my price predictions that's getting the most views every day. So that's a little bit of insider info for you guys. I think that by the end of 2018, it'll probably have tested 50 cents, probably be a bit above that. So maybe somewhere, around 60, 65 cents, a little bit above 50 cents would be a reasonable estimate. Of course, higher is possible, like I said, but for that, we'll really have to see how quickly it can already get to that 50-cent mark, which is the next big stop, right? And let me know what you think about this price prediction. Do you think Cardano will have what it takes to, get into the really big leagues, right? That would be probably a top 5% ranking, probably for Cardano. So seeing on what it's trying to achieve, right, like I said, being kind of the best currency out there, kind of improving upon Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's a big goal. But if they can do that, like I said, at least partially, then a bigger valuation like that becomes, a bit more normal. Let me know what you think about this. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. Do you like Cardano? Do you think you'll be able to, go above 50 cents or even $1 in 2018? Put it down in the comment sections below. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.